Ever stuck at an ATM with no cash? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online banks and a question that frequently pops up. If I bank with EQ, can I still get cash easily? Traditional banks are all about brick-and-mortar locations and those trusty ATMs. But what about online banks like EQ? They offer fantastic interest rates and streamlined online experiences, but where do you go when you need cold, hard cash? Fear not, friends. While EQ doesn't have its own physical ATMs, they've got a clever solution to keep you from scrambling in a cash crunch. Let's break down exactly how EQ bank account holders can access their money and avoid the dreaded ATM out-of-service sign. The magic of the EQ bank card. The key to your EQ bank cash access lies in the EQ bank card. Think of it as your bridge between the digital world of EQ and the real world where bills and coins exist. This handy card is a prepaid MasterCard, which means it's accepted anywhere MasterCard is welcome, online stores, restaurants, you name it. But the real star of the show is the free ATM withdrawals in Canada. That's right, EQ Bank reimburses you for any fees charged by Canadian ATM providers. So, you can walk up to any ATM, swipe your EQ Bank card, and get the cash you need, without EQ charging a dime. Here's the breakdown, how reimbursement works. Let's say you're at the ATM and it hits you with a $3 service charge. No worries. EQ will automatically credit your account for that $3 within 10 business days. It's a seamless process that ensures you're not penalized for needing cash. There are a few things to keep in mind. EQ reimburses fees charged by Canadian ATM providers only. If you're traveling internationally and use your card at a foreign ATM, you'll be responsible for any fees they charge. Also, be aware that individual ATM providers may have their own withdrawal limits, so it's always a good idea to check before you go. Beyond the ATM, alternative cash access options. While the ATM reimbursement is a fantastic perk, it's not your only option for getting cash with EQ Bank. Here are a couple of other methods to consider. Interac e-transfer to yourself. This is a quick and convenient way to move money from your EQ Bank account to another bank account you hold. Once the transfer is complete, you can use the debit card associated with that other account to withdraw cash from an ATM. Linked bank account transfers. EQ Bank allows you to link your account to an external bank account. This lets you transfer funds electronically between the two accounts. Once the transfer is complete, you can use your debit card from the linked account to access cash at an ATM. EQ Bank, keeping it simple and streamlined. So, while EQ Bank doesn't have its own ATM network, they've designed a system that gives you flexibility and keeps things affordable. The free ATM withdrawal reimbursement in Canada is a major plus, and the alternative options provide additional ways to access your cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.